The human body replaces approximately 330 billion cells every single day, which means the person staring back from the mirror right now is literally not the same person from a month ago. Here's what most people miss about transformation. We wait for some magical moment of readiness, some perfect alignment of circumstances before deciding to change. But the body doesn't wait for permission. It's already rebuilding itself whether we're paying attention or not. Scientists discovered something wild about cellular regeneration. When someone makes a decision, truly commits to a new direction, the body starts producing different proteins within hours. Not days, not weeks, hours. The physical structure begins shifting before any visible results show up. Think about that. The transformation isn't happening because results appeared. Results appear because transformation already started at a level invisible to the naked eye. Here's the twist nobody talks about. The cells replacing themselves right now are listening to the dominant signal being broadcast internally. Every thought, every belief, every story on repeat is literally becoming biology. The body is neutral. It just builds whatever blueprint it receives most consistently. This means waiting to feel different before acting different has it backwards. The feeling follows the new cellular structure, not the other way around. Action sends the signal. The body responds by rebuilding itself to match. So that version of self that feels impossible to become? It's not some distant destination requiring years of struggle. It's a biological process already underway, just waiting for a consistent signal to lock onto. The question isn't whether transformation is possible. The question is what blueprint is being handed to those 330 billion new cells showing up today.